Hello viewer, a very warm welcome to this video on AD Vidlogs. This video is about the unboxing and first impressions of the SMK Stellar Samurai. It's a helmet and it is manufactured by the well-known Indian company Studs, but however it has been developed and designed in Europe and it conforms to the European ECE safety standards. It costs 3,800 rupees and I purchased it from Amazon. So let's now begin with the unboxing. Okay, so it comes with inside this nice carry bag sort of a thing, I think. Yes, you can carry it on your back just like a backpack, so it's nice. So here it is. It looks fantastic according to me, and I chose this one for two reasons. Firstly, it is not pin lock ready. It already has pin lock fitted. See, here it is. You can see it here. So it's the anti-fog visor from Pinlock already fitted in it. One of the very few brands, I think it's the only one in fact, at this price range to provide you with a pin lock already fitted. And secondly, its color scheme and graphics. I own the 2019 Domina, which is green, and this color scheme of this helmet perfectly matches with the color scheme of my bike. So now taking you through its features briefly. It has this chin air inlet here, then it has this air inlet at the top, one on this side too, this one, there is a closure here inside, and then you have the air outlets here at the back, and the shape is quite aerodynamic, as you can see. The only thing that I think it lacks is there should have been a smoked visor here inside, which SMK should have provided. That's a bit of a sore point, but otherwise at this price with this pin lock fitted, I think it's a fantastic product you can buy. And here you can see it conforms to the European safety norms. The visor is two-step. This is one, and then this is the second one. So one step and two-step close. It also has this breath deflector here. The padding and cushioning is quite okay, I think, for its price. You cannot compare it to something like MT or AJC because they are much more costlier, but I think these are adequate. And so these are the things that comes with the helmet. This is the European certification, a copy of the certification, SMK Stellar. It is from the United Kingdom Vehicle Approval Authority, as you can see. Then they provide this manual, they provide this keychain SMK, that's nice, some stickers and some just brochures, that's it. And so that's all about it. I hope you like the video. If you like it, do share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and also hit the bell icon to get more updates on the new videos that I upload. Thanks for watching.